Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and see your investment portfolio has doubled overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. What if I told you that dream could be a reality or a nightmare, depending on where you put your money? Today, we're diving into the ultimate financial showdown, crypto versus stocks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to invest your hard-earned cash to build the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. But beware, this isn't just about making money. It's about making smart money moves. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's go. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. If your money could talk, would it say, "Thank you for investing wisely," or "Why did you leave me in that meme coin?" Yeah, thought so. Let's fix that. Point 1. Stocks, the tried and true investment. Let's start with the OG of investments, stocks. For over a century, the stock market has been the go-to wealth-building machine for millions. Think about companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. If you'd invested in them early, you'd be sitting on a gold mine right now. But here's the thing. Stocks aren't just about picking winners. They're about stability, dividends, and long-term growth. Pros of stocks. Stability. Unlike crypto, stocks are backed by real companies with tangible assets. Even during market crashes, history shows they bounce back. Dividends. Some stocks pay you just for holding them. It's like getting paid to wait. Predictability. With stocks, you can analyze trends, earnings reports, and economic data to make informed decisions. Cons of stocks. Slower growth. Unless you're hitting the next Amazon, don't expect overnight riches. Market volatility. Even blue-chip stocks can take a hit during recessions. Now, here's a thought. If stocks are so reliable, why isn't everyone a millionaire? Well, that's where crypto comes in, and trust me, it's a whole different ballgame. Point 2. Crypto, the Wild West of investing. Enter crypto, the rebellious teenager of the financial world. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. These digital assets have turned ordinary people into millionaires overnight. But here's the catch. For every success story, there's a cautionary tale. So, what makes crypto so enticing and so dangerous? Pros of crypto. Explosive growth. Bitcoin went from pennies to over $60,000 in a decade. If you'd invested just $100 in 2010, you'd be a multimillionaire today. Decentralization. No banks, no governments, just you and your digital wallet. Innovation. Crypto isn't just about money. It's about revolutionizing industries like finance, art, and even real estate. Cons of crypto. Volatility. One tweet from Elon Musk can send your portfolio crashing. Regulation risks. Governments are still figuring out how to handle crypto, and that uncertainty can be scary. Security risks. If you lose your private key or get hacked, your money is gone forever. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Should you go all in on crypto, play it safe with stocks, or find a balance between the two? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Point 3. Risk versus reward. Finding your sweet spot. Let's get real for a second. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all game. Your risk tolerance, financial goals, and timeline all play a role in deciding where to put your money. So, how do you find your sweet spot? You invest everything in crypto, and the market crashes. You're left with nothing. Now you play it too safe with stocks, and miss out on the next Bitcoin. Both scenarios are terrifying, but here's the good news. You don't have to choose just one. Balanced portfolio. Allocate a percentage to stocks for stability, and a smaller percentage to crypto for high risk. High reward potential. Dollar cost averaging. Invest consistently over time to reduce the impact of market volatility. Think of it like a pizza. You don't just want pepperoni, you want a little bit of everything. Unless you're one of those pineapple on pizza people, in which case, we need to have a separate conversation. Point 4. Real-life examples. Lessons from the pros. Let's look at some real-life examples to drive this home. Take Warren Buffett, the king of stocks. He built his fortune by investing in undervalued companies and holding them for decades. On the flip side, there's the story of Eric Feynman, who turned a $1,000 Bitcoin investment into millions by the age of 18. Two different paths, but both led to massive success. Buffett's strategy is slow and steady, while Feynman's was high risk, high reward. The lesson? Know your goals and invest accordingly. Point 5. The future of investing. What's next? Now, let's talk about the future. Stocks aren't going anywhere. But crypto is evolving faster than ever, with NFTs, DeFi, and Web3 on the rise. The lines between traditional and digital investing are blurring. So, what does this mean for you? The truth is, the financial landscape is changing, and if you don't adapt, you risk being left behind. But if you stay informed and make smart moves, you could be at the forefront of the next big thing. Point 6. Your action plan. What should you do next? All right, it's decision time. Here's your action plan. Assess your risk tolerance. Are you a thrill seeker or a safety-first investor? Set clear goals. Are you investing for retirement, a house, or financial freedom? Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Balance stocks and crypto based on your goals. Stay educated. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. But before you make any moves, there's one more thing you need to know, and it could change everything. Point 7. The hidden secret. Timing is everything. Here's the secret no one talks about. Timing is everything. Whether it's buying the dip in stocks or catching a crypto bull run, the right move at the right time can make all the difference. But here's the catch. No one can predict the market perfectly. So, focus on the long game and don't let short-term fluctuations scare you. Take control of your financial future. Now, it's your turn. The choice between crypto and stocks isn't just about money. It's about the life you want to live. So, what's it going to be? Will you play it safe, take a risk, or find the perfect balance? Whatever you decide, remember this: the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips on building the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. And hey, drop a comment below. Are you team crypto, team stocks, or team both? Let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Go make it count.